And now we are at the Caroni Bird Sanctuary in Trinidad. And this is the very popular boat ride which goes through the sanctuary. There's a lot that I don't know about, but we'll find out soon. So it's open, the tour is open 2 hours every day. Starts at 4 p.m., goes until 6 p.m. It's a 2-hour ride. And I'm excited about this one. So in a very short while, we'll be back and we'll let you know what we saw. In fact, I'll take you through it. And the weather is perfect. I expected it to be a lot more hotter, but no, it's very pleasant. And there were no mosquitoes, so we did not need any repellents at all. It was very serene. Loved it. And these birds that you see that are flying in the sky, they are the scarlet ibis. They are bright red colored, and starting about 5:15, 5:30 in the evening, they start flying back to their home, which is these trees. And in the next 1 hour, this is going to become completely red for the next 12 hours. But unfortunately, the ride ends between 6 and 6:15, so we're gonna head back. Very soon we won't be able to see it completely turning red, but this is good enough. I mean, this is as good as it's gonna get, and it's beautiful. And now we are towards the end of the tour. We just saw what we saw, and it was breathtaking. I haven't seen something so beautiful in such a long time, and I have to say this tour was really well worth it. Worth every penny. And now we're headed back, and until next time, bye bye.